Good morning, Harold. You want an egg? There you go. Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's August 19th, 2025, and it's about 9:45 in the morning. So far, it's a pretty day. Some lines in the sky. Other than that, it's blue. We'll have to go downtown and get some more grain for the animals. I really don't like going downtown. It's 70 degrees right now. It's actually kind of nice out here. All animals are taken care of. So, go downtown before it gets too late in the day.